All right. Well, Trisha's husband and accused in the Trisha Sharma death case, Samarth Singh, has been brought to AIIMS Bhopal as the CBI has taken over the probe. Prakhar Jain, my colleague, is joining us to give us more inputs about this development. Prakhar, what more can you tell us? Obviously, there have been several rounds of discussions, with Samarth, in which he has also put his side of the story. We'll get into that later, but let's talk about what the CBI is, aiming at in terms of this investigation, which is only deepening by the hour.
Yeah, sure, Vineet. CBI has initiated process of taking over the Trisha Sharma death probe from SIT, which was earlier investigating the issue. Right now, if we say the case has not been taken over by CBI fully, they are into the process. Earlier in an earlier development, the CBI has also was displeasured by what the Bhopal police or SIT has been doing. The displeasure was with the case diary. As per our sources confirms this, the source diary was not in the sequence of the events that have happened. So CBI has asked, before taking over this case fully, CBI has asked SIT to correct the case diary. In the same development, the CBI officials also met with Bhopal commissioner. There also they have put in their points, their displeasure about the course of investigation which have been done in these couple of days. On the other hand, Samarth Singh has been questioned by SIT, as he is already in the custody of SIT. He has told his side of the story, but the investigators does not seem to be believing on that story which Samarth has told. As per our sources, investigators find that story with a number of loopholes in it. So now CBI has come in. CBI is taking over the case, and CBI will question Samarth once the case and the custody of Samarth will be taken over by CBI. This will only happen after the case diary will be corrected by Bhopal police. Then only CBI will question Samarth. This is what our sources are confirming right now. But if it's confirmed, CBI has met Bhopal commissioner today in the afternoon, and they have also put in their points regarding the investigation process which have been done up till now. In a single sentence, CBI probe is being intensified day by day, but we have to wait for some more couple of days. If we talk about sources says in 1 or 2 days, CBI will take over case fully and the investigation for the further proceedings, after which some of the other new facts may come up. In another development, a CDR application was filed by Trisha's family in Bhopal Sessions Court, which was heard today evening. As per the updates on that hearing also, court has asked what is the development on CDR from Bhopal police. As per the Bhopal police statement in the court, CDR of Giriwala Singh from 13th to 15th of May have been asked by SIM operators, which when will be provided by operators will be included in case diary and presented in the court. Vineet, over to you.
Okay, stay